Before you can transfer stock out to another pharmacy, you must create the pharmacy as a stock transfer customer. This process needs to be completed for each pharmacy that your store will transfer stock to. From the Stock Manager module, click the Maintenance menu and select For AR Customers. Check that the required customer does not already exist in the Customer Maintenance window. If not, click Add. In the Code text box, enter a code that will represent the customer. It must be less than 11 characters. If you are part of a multi-store group, use MST plus the store's business code, as this will allow for electronic stock transfers. In the Name text box, enter the pharmacy's full business name. Enter the pharmacy's address details and enter the pharmacy's ABN into their ABN field. In the Contact text box, enter the name of the contact person at the pharmacy if required. Enter the phone, fax, and email details of the pharmacy. Check the Email Statement checkbox if the statement should be emailed. Click the drop-down menu on the Category 1 field and select P, Pharmacy. Then click OK to save the AR customer. The customer will be added. Click Cancel to exit from this window.